On this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over with something that really cool that I've found here. This is a heated scarf, and you know, warmth on demand, anytime, anywhere. Check this thing out, everybody. This is turn your cold day into a cozy adventure. And just looking over it here, you know, it's skin friendly, it's easy to care for, it's adjustable heating, and it's versatility. Let's just open it up. I did kind of cut it and open it up and look at it, and let's see what you get here. This one right here is the women's, and then also I have a men's one. So I actually have two of these things. I liked it so much. I've got the women's right here, and I just kind of want to show y'all the colors that these come in, and let's just go ahead and take them both out. You do get a battery with this. It is a very powerful lithium-ion battery, and just looking over it here, you know, you get the power bank, the user manual, a USB mini charging cable, and then you got a little power supply button. Mash it on the side. Looky there, everybody. This one has two power outlets. So you know what that means? This also will use as a power bank. Let's just look at the men's here. What is this right here? Heated scarf instructional guide. Open it up here. Oh, here's what we need. So looking over this thing, I can tell y'all this feels absolutely amazing. It has a very slick kind of like fleece-like lining feeling of it right here. So let's just open this thing up. There's a hidden zipper pocket right here. USB-A. Turn that on. There we go. Slide that in. And it actually doesn't, you know, you can feel it in there, but it doesn't feel like it's off much. Hold that down. When you hold it down, the red will come on, blue and green. We'll go ahead and leave it on the red, and let's just kind of like go over some of the specs for y'all. You connect a portable power bank. I just did that. Zip it up. Start the heating process. Hold the buttons down for 3 seconds. Adjust the temperature. So the red light is the high temperature, 131 to 140, kind of a variance, 55 to 60 Celsius. Blue light is the medium temperature, 113 to 131, 45 to 55 Celsius. Green light is the low, which is 104, 113. So filling over it here, wow, that's already heated up. I can already feel that. And you know what I have here? Inkbird Plus. This is my IR gauge. And let's just take a baseline over here. So the baseline, I'm at 83 degrees on the baseline right there. Let's just feel like it. And it's seriously only been just a few seconds. 106, everybody. That is 106. 112. So what it is, there's a patch that looks to be around about 8 to 9 inches there and about 6 to 7 inches wide. Looking at that patch, and you would wrap this around, and then looking at the women's here, the women's, you know, this is a, you know, women's or men's, depends on the color. You know, if you're confident enough, you can wear any color you want. But looking at this, you can see the difference in them here. I absolutely love these things. This is something very unique. I've never seen a heated scarf. I've seen heated socks, heated gloves, heated jackets, heated pants. They got a heated scarf. How cool is that? It's holding that temperature right at 130. I bet you if I put that on my skin and let that heat up and then wrap this thing around, it's going to work perfect. So let me wrap it around right now. All right, everybody, there it is. I just wrapped it around my neck right there, and there's the button right there. You can see it's still on red. It's obviously not cold out here today. It's here in November here in the southeast, which is getting a little chilly, but it's not super cold. This will be great on those really, really cold days. I will be using this thing, you know, wrapping it up like this, you know, and it's easily adjusted right there. Look at that. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's all I got today on the, you know, the heated scarf. And double up on them. One of them's a gift and one of them's for me. So yeah, see y'all in the next video. Woo!